What if Bitcoin's recent decoupling from global M2 liquidity isn't a sign of a bear market, but something else entirely? Since July, government borrowing has pulled net dollar liquidity from markets, causing BTC to detach from the M2 global liquidity supply. However, experts like Jesse Eckel and Coinbase analysts view this as a necessary reset, anticipating a correlation return and potential upside by 2026. Imagine a $2,000 payout from Trump's tariffs. It just sent Bitcoin soaring past $105,000, and Ethereum above $3,600. However, this crypto rally is fueled by hope, not fundamentals, facing massive ifs like congressional approval and Supreme Court challenges. Budget experts question the math, warning that without quick changes, Bitcoin could retest $98,000 to $95,000 if $100,000 support cracks. Imagine a massive supply surge hitting the crypto market next week, potentially impacting your digital assets. Over $190 million worth of tokens, including Linea, APT, and AVAX, are scheduled for large-scale unlocking events. This influx, like a sudden release from a digital vault, could increase market supply and influence prices. Contrary to its usual Uptober rally, Bitcoin surprisingly dropped 5% this October, marking its first negative month since 2018. This unexpected decline followed a strong year driven by interest rate cuts, the halving event, and spot ETF approvals, but faced headwinds from high treasury yields and profit-taking. Despite short-term challenges, Bitcoin's long-term fundamentals remain robust, suggesting this pullback might be a strategic buying opportunity for patient investors. Bitcoin's Sharpe signal on Binance just plunged into negative territory. But what does this really mean for the market? This metric, which measures return efficiency against risk, hit minus 0.277, indicating a clear decline in risk-adjusted returns on Binance as Bitcoin fell to $101,747. However, analysts suggest this isn't a full capitulation, but rather a temporary cooldown phase, possibly due to less institutional investor activity. This overlooked social signal from Binance founder CZ could be a major factor for BNB's short-term moves. CZ announced his memoir is nearing completion, inviting cover suggestions. Historically, such personal updates from influential founders correlate with significant BNB price and volume shifts. Traders should monitor BNB and Binance ecosystem tokens for social-driven moves, as investor attention often predicts near-term cryptocurrency returns. What if the recent Bitcoin sell-off isn't a disaster, but a signal for a major reversal? Futures taker CVD shows speculative selling weakening, while a historically low Bitcoin stablecoin supply ratio indicates significant potential buying power. These four key on-chain metrics, including ASOPR, collectively suggest a Bitcoin price bottom might be forming, hinting at an imminent rebound. Why are some altcoins exploding while Bitcoin struggles to break $100,000? Filecoin, a decentralized storage network, surged over 50%, driven by its role in Web3 and AI workloads, acting like a global, shared hard drive for the internet. This market shift shows capital rotating from Bitcoin's consolidation into altcoins, with clear catalysts, like privacy tokens, seeking specific features that make their engines rev up. Litecoin just recorded a stunning 16% surge, past $102, fueled by massive whale accumulation and historic on-chain activity. Technical analysis shows the Lieutenant Colonel BTC pair is aggressively bullish, with a crucial breakout above its range high, potentially unlocking a rally towards $112. However, holding above the $96 support zone is critical, as heightened volatility and Bitcoin's price action will dictate its next direction. This overlooked blockchain innovation is transforming AI from a service into something you can actually own and trade. Messari's report on ChatAndBuild details non-fungible agents, or NFAs, which are like smart contracts for AI, making intelligence a verifiable, transferable asset. With over 150,000 users, this platform uses a BAP 578 standard on BNB chain, enabling auditable AI creation and ownership. Imagine trillions in capital, currently trapped in slow financial systems, suddenly set free. Nasdaq's CEO just highlighted how blockchain can make that a reality. This vision is impacting the market, with XRP reclaiming $2.30, showing renewed strength and institutional interest, eyeing a potential breakout towards $3.50. The CEO emphasized blockchain's power to streamline finance, reduce intermediaries, and boost liquidity, fundamentally reshaping global capital flow. This major corporate Bitcoin gamble just cost billions, challenging the narrative of easy crypto gains. Trump Media and Technology Group, once a crypto skeptic, invested $20 billion in Bitcoin at an average of $115,000 per coin in July. However, a recent 12% price drop has shrunk this portfolio by approximately $3 billion, highlighting market volatility for even major players.